how to set the time duration to wait before the call are automatically answered on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on the More button. From the pop-up, tap on Settings. Now in Call Settings, we go down. And in here, tap on Answering and Ending Calls. Next, tap on Answer Automatically. Tap on the left-hand side panel. From the list of time duration, you can select after 2 seconds, after 5 seconds, after 10 seconds, or select Custom Time. In here, you can choose the time that the phone will wait before it will automatically answer the call. Now tap on the Set button to set the time. And that's it. I'm going to select after 2 seconds and then tap on the back key. So here you see that when I place the call, after 2 seconds, the phone will automatically answer the call.
Incoming call.
And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.